In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Morning Star stamp set. So here's the card. It uses the stars and the flowers of the stamp set, which is really fun combination. So here's the stamp set, and then the Stitch Stars dies coordinates with the stamp set. So that's fun too. And you'll see that here. I've cut out some stars, and we're going to stamp on the star, starting with some Call Me Clover. We're going to use Blueberry Bushel too. And these colors are retiring, so if you have the ink pads, I highly suggest you get the re-inkers so that you can keep your ink pads nice and juicy. So I'm going to stamp this leaf star stamp. It's really nice because it's clear photopolymer, so I can see exactly where to place it. Perfecto. And then I'm going to stamp the blue flower. Right about there. Awesome. And then these two are both going to have dimensionals on them. There we go. So now I'm going to stamp the star, but I'm going to stamp off first so that I get a lighter shade. So just stamp off, and then I'll get a lighter shade of the Blueberry Bushel. And I'm just stamping the star kind of randomly all around the edges of the card. Whoops, I stamped off twice. And then I'll add the star in the middle. Oh, that one's full strength. That's okay, we can work with that. And then the sentiment is "You are the best." And I'm just gonna add that down here. And then I will put this card together. And we'll add the star. This would be a really fun card to give to a friend. Really nice card. Or to an essential worker, like a nurse or a doctor that are working hard right now. Telling them that you appreciate what they're doing, that they're the best. So I'm offering a card class that features this card as well as these two cards right here. The class includes supplies for 6 cards and envelopes and includes the Morning Star stamp set. More information is on my website, elainescreations.net. And if you'd like to purchase the Stitch Stars dies, you can also go to my website and enter this hostess code, and I will send you a fun gift. So thank you so much for joining me and watching my tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and again, check out my website, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.